Oh, how fun is this? All right, this is a new mouse pad. And you can see on there, we've got a calendar, which is great. Hang on a second. I couldn't get that open with one hand. So I've got a mouse pad, and I was really excited to see that they had the calendar option. So now they had a smaller picture in here. What I did was I deleted the background that they had, and I deleted the white space they had around the date and the top part of the calendar. For some reason, they used a white box with a little bloop on it to make that white space. So when I deleted it and put my own picture, you saw black all the way down through the middle of these boxes. So I just made a white rectangle and then a white oval to kind of duplicate the effect. I put this information up here, and I put our picture of the boys with the rocks down there. And you'll notice this is a little bit off center because the safety line was like this. And most of the time with Vistaprint, what you get is what you see, but I always like to play it safe. Now this is the standard, so this is a thin mouse pad. They also have a premium, which is thicker, but I actually like the thin better because it's easier for me to pack in my bag. And so these are going to be a fundraiser for us and a gift for our supporters. Just one more word about these mouse pads, okay? This mouse pad here, I bought a year and a half ago. You can see I've been using it. I use it almost every day. It lives in my laptop bag. I love it. I love their standard because it's so thin. And I liked it so much I went ahead and bought another one because, you know, sometimes companies discontinue or they change products. And I wanted to get another one to save because I just love this picture. I love being a part of the John Maxwell team. But I did want to share something with you. So this is the one that I showed you guys when I did the unboxing. Okay? But look at, in real life, look at how gray the black is, okay? And you can see that even over here on these. You know, from head on, it kind of looks a little bit more black, but even with this one, you can tell you can't tell that's a black suit. It almost looks like a gray suit. This one's even more pronounced because the angle that I sit at work, and of course it's not doing it here in this lighting at home, but the angle that I sit at work, this looks like a dark gray, like a charcoal gray. All right, so just be aware of that. You can also see here, like I'm happy because the colors didn't fade with heavy use, but you can also see that the colors aren't as vibrant as you might want. So if you have a design that really needs to have those pop-in vibrant colors, you may want to contact Vistaprint directly, or you may want to look elsewhere because again, they're nice. I love them. I'm always going to keep buying them, but they're not for those. If I needed a true black here, I'm not going to get it with this product. All right, I'm JJ Conway. Y'all take care and be blessed.